Good morning, students. How are you? You have done joining up to X.
Now we are doing A to X joining.
Okay, joining A to joining X. Okay, now go and bring your copy, pencil. Okay, go and come fast. For write down day, that is Tuesday, and date, that is 10/11/20. After that, write down your heading, joining A to joining X. Okay, beta? Ready? Now, yes, beta ji. Start from your second blue line. Take a curve, move up, turn down, move back, touch your second blue line, turn, touch your first blue line, make a A like this and touch your second blue line, joining A. Now joining B, make a straight line, move back, touch red line, touch first blue line and make a semicircle. Again touch second blue line and turn. Now again turn back, move up, touch red line, move down, cut on first blue line, turn, move up, take a loop, touch first blue line, joining B. Now joining C. Take a curve like this, make a C, turn back, again move up, turn back and touch second blue line, joining C. Now joining D, down with a straight line, make a loop, touch second blue line, move up, touch red line and now touch your first blue line and cut here. Now from this point, move up, turn back, move up with a straight line, move down, touch second blue line, joining D. Now joining E. From this point, from first blue line, make a slat line, touch red line, turn back, touch your first blue line, again turn back, touch your second blue line, move up and touch your second blue line and leave it. And start from this point, move up, touch first blue line, come back and touch your second blue line like this, joining E. Now joining F. From red line, make a line like this, come back, touch second blue line, move. Okay, beta. Now make a straight line, cut here. From this point, move up, cut on first blue line, move down, touch red line, move up and cut here like this. This is joining F. Now G. From this point, move up with a slant line, touch red line, cut on first blue line, touch second blue line, move up, touch first blue line, move down, touch red line. Now cut on second blue line, go up, touch first blue line and come back like this, move down and cut on second blue line. This is G. Now H. Now slant line from first blue line and touch on red line. Move down, turn, again make a straight line. Now come up, touch first blue line, move up, touch red line, cut on first blue line, move up, come down and touch second blue line and turn. This is joining H. After H, we have I. We have I. Slipping line, move, turn, touch second line, second blue line, move up, turn back, touch first blue line, come down, touch second blue line and dot. This is joining I. Now joining J. Slipping line, turn, again turn, move down, touch red line, cut on second blue line, move up and touch first blue line, move down and again touch second blue line and dot. This is joining J. After J we have K. Now from your first blue line, take a slant line, turn down and move. From red line, take a slant line, cut on first blue line, come down, touch your second blue line. From this point, move up, come back, cut on first blue line, touch second blue line, move up, touch first blue line, make a semicircle like this and slant line and turn. This is your K. After K we have L. L, from first blue line, move up with the slant line, move down, touch second blue line, take a loop, touch second blue line, move up and turn, cut on first blue line, touch second blue line and turn like this. This is your L. After L, we have M. From this point, make a slant line, make a mount and come down, touch on second blue line, move up, again make a mount, come down, touch second blue line, again move up and turn down. Now from this, move up, turn down, turn down, turn down and turn. Okay, this is your M. After M we have N. Again slant line, again slant line. Okay, touch on red line, move down, move up, move down. From this point, move up, touch first blue line, move down, again move down and turn. This is your N. Okay, beta. Now, after N, we have O. You know how to draw O, capital O. From your red line, turn like this, touch second blue line, move up and turn inside like this. Okay. Now from this point, again move up, turn down, move inside and move out, touch first blue line. This is your O. Now, after O, we have P. From red line, come down, touch second blue line, move up, touch red line, touch first blue line, make a semicircle like this. Now from this point, make a slant line, move up, turn down, move up, touch first blue line, move down and turn on second blue line like this. This is P. M N O P. After we have Q. Again from red line, turn like this and cut like this. Okay, on the red line. From this point, make a turn on second blue line like this. Okay, from this cut, move up, touch first blue line, make a circle, come down on second blue line with a straight line and touch second blue line like this. This is your Q. After Q, we have R. Turn down with a straight line, move up, touch first blue line like this, make a semicircle, turn down. With this line, move up, make a little loop, up, down, and make a curve and turn like this. This is your R. Now, S. S. With this point, move up, turn, cut on first blue line, turn like this, cut this line on first blue line and move inside. Now, from this line, move up, take a little turn and turn back on second blue line. This is your S. After S, we have T. Make a line like this, move down, turn, move back, now move up, move down, turn on second blue line like this and cut this line like this. आपने ये वाली लाइन को रेड लाइन और ब्लू लाइन के बीच में कट करना है. ओके, T. Now we have U. U. अभी आपने U सीखा. From this line, blue line, move down, move up, down. From second blue line, again move up, touch first blue line, move up, touch first blue line and turn. This is U. Now, V. From this point, make a slant line like this, turn, move up, take a loop and cut on second blue line, red line, first red line. From this point, again, from this point, move up, turn down, move up, cut on second blue line, first blue line like this. This is your V. Now, W. Now we have W. From this point, move down, up, and touch the red line and cut like this. From this point again, touch first blue line, move up, move down, move up and cut on first blue line. W. After W, we have X. Move up, turn like this, again move up, and from the first blue line, move like this. From this line, turn back, and this is your X. Okay, beta? Look carefully. This is your joining A to X. Okay, beta? Now, be carefully. आपने जब भी ज्वाइनिंग करनी है, आपने बहुत केयरफुली अपनी ज्वाइनिंग करनी है. ओके बेटा? आपने मम्मा के पास बैठ के उनको सुन के फिर आपने ज्वाइनिंग करनी है. ओके? डू प्रॉपर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ योर ज्वाइनिंग A to X. Bye.